welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, it's a moving vlog. So the plan today is to go first to get some yum cha so we can eat. And then after that, my brother and I already packed the truck of all the stuff I'm moving. And then we're going to go to Talia's house to grab the rest of the furniture, go to the house we're moving into to unload everything. And I'll take you along the way. All right, so we came to pick up the fridge and here it is, free fridge, win. So now I'm just waiting for my brother to get here with the truck, which should hopefully be soon, and then we can load it into the truck and get going. But it's raining, which is also not very cool. Well, we're getting more. Everyone want to say hi? Everyone's here. For yum cha.
Oh, yes, we can.
So we're at Talia's house now. So this is our moving truck for the weekend. Huge shout out to Bailey and Anna for letting us borrow their truck. And yeah, we're gonna load the truck now with Talia's stuff and all of our furniture. This is what we've got at the moment. Thanks to my brother for helping us out.
It's the same old story. Nothing in life's for free. I've been living in the dark too. But I see the light now. Think I could make it out. Don't tell me that I might be wrong. I just wanna live.
Alright, so we just finished packing up the truck. This is all our stuff in it. Got all our helpers. And we're gonna head. Alright, so we're at our new place now. This is our living and dining area. This is Talia. And we're just about to move everything in. So we'll probably do a time lapse of moving everything in.
Try to keep from drowning. This world I'm found in, gotta get out of my head this time. I just wanna live and let go and just lose control, just lose control.
Listen.
We have encountered a problem. Will our washing machine fit in this space? We're thinking, if anything, worse comes to worse, we'll leave this door open and then it should fit. But let's see. Success! We got the washing machine in and the door can shut. Ah, very good.
Maybe we should get that up first.
Oh, yeah, okay, try it.
Oh, reversing. Take two, turning the bed around.
Yep.
Oh, it's gonna hit the roof. Oh,
Yes.
genius. Oh, shit.
You hold it shut off. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Pivot. Oh my god.
It's stuck.
Sadly, we had to detach
Oh, yeah.
the bed.
It'll be okay.
to take it up.
Alright, let's hope
But
this
awkward.
works.
Take 3.
Yeah, is that good? Go back.
Sadly, had to take the whole bed apart.
Who's got the door, mate?
Right side. Surely.
Go up.
Nice.
Hooray! Hooray! Hey guys, so it's the next day. I don't even remember what the last thing I filmed was, but it was probably us trying to take the bed upstairs. Finally had to basically unassemble pretty much the whole thing to be able to take it upstairs, which was a mission, but reassembled it back upstairs. And yeah, so it's Sunday now, so it's just me and Talia here, and we're just trying to unpack. So we've just got kind of mess everywhere in the kitchen, and we've also got stuff here as well that we need to deal with. So we're just going to keep unpacking away, and then hopefully we'll see how long it takes. But yeah, we've got a big job ahead of us.
Bones of lightning floating out of me, radiating sun like energy. You get the best of me, you get the best of.
Hey guys, so it's the next day. And we've done a lot. So this is what our dining and lounge looks like. So it's all set up. So it's looking a lot neater. I just went to the shops, did some groceries, and I had to do another Kmart run. So yeah, it's been a busy day. I'm just gonna put everything away, and then I have to do set up my bathroom and put my clothes away as well. So I'll show you that. So I'm just putting away my clothes now. So I'm using this wardrobe, but my room's actually across the hall, but the wardrobe space in there isn't enough. So I'm just using this one because this is a spare room. And yeah, I think it'll take me hopefully an hour to get it all done.
Lately I've been lighter on my feet.
Alright, so I'm going to end the vlog here. Thanks for coming along and watching. The rest will just be unpacking, and then hopefully the next 2 weeks we'll just settle and get into a routine. So there'll be more videos coming with my housemates, I'm sure. But thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and please comment down below any other videos you want to see, especially with my housemates. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.